Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export all of the photographs that you have saved in your Google Photos account and use them somewhere else once you have them downloaded. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to do this. A subscriber to my newsletter asked me how to do this, so I thought I'd make a little video on it. Let's go ahead and you can see here in my Google Photos, I'm at photos.google.com. I'm going to go into my settings. And down at the bottom of this page, this is the default look. Down at the bottom of the page, we'll see export your data. Let's go ahead and open that up and select backup. That then takes me to the Google Takeout page for Google Photos. And here we can see products Google Photos and all photo albums included. And we're going to hit next step. We can export it once or export every 2 months for 1 year, which would give us 6 exports. Now my file type and size, we can have a zip file or a TGZ file. A zip file is what most people are going to want. If you have any questions on which one you want, if you're not sure which one you want the zip file. You can select the size of that zip file. I might say 10 gigs. We'll see exports larger than this will be split into multiple files. And then create export. And this will be sent to me in my email that's connected to my Google account. So we can see here, I'm now creating a copy of the files from Google Photos. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete, and you'll receive an email when your export is done. So that's how you can export all of your photographs from Google Photos. And of course, once you have them exported, you can use them anywhere else you would like, including in Amazon Photos. And in my next video, I'll show you how to upload your images into Google Photos if you want to use that service. And as always, for more tips and tricks like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel or check out practicaledtech.com.